Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this Nooie Smart Plug. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so this little smart plug set was sent to me by the Nooie company, and they wanted me to do a little review on it. I think it should be pretty simple, so let's go ahead and break it out of the box and see what we got here. Okay, so they sent us 4 smart plugs here, and they're pretty basic. Just a little plug here, got a power button on this side. Now, when you're setting these things up, the first thing you need to do is download the Nooie app, or it's called the Nooie Home app. I'll throw a picture up on screen of what it looks like. Just go to the Play Store or the Apple App Store and you download that app there. Okay, so once you've got the app installed, you're going to open it up. And you're gonna need to create an account with Nooie in order to operate these plugs. So go ahead and do that. Go through that process. It'll walk you through it. And once you get them installed and all signed in and everything, then you need to go to the app on your smartphone and add the plugs. Okay. So we're gonna open the Nooie app here. All right. So here we have the plug here, and we'll just hit it'll say add device, Nooie Smart Plug, and now it's waiting for the light to flash. Now, in order to get it flash, you're going to need to plug it in, obviously. So I've got a little power strip here, and we're going to plug it in. And wait. After a few seconds, it should start blinking. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'll cover it up here, keep the light up. You can see that blink maybe. Okay, so there's a little blinking light there. Once that starts blinking, then we will click the light flashing rapidly button. Now, you're going to have to connect this to your Wi-Fi router. And I, the Gadget Man, do not recommend that you connect it to your home network. These little smart devices are very useful, but they are very insecure, and they provide an open access, a backdoor essentially, into your secure network where hackers could use it to get into your network and steal your data. So in order to use these things, I recommend that you buy a router like the Asus AC3100 that has a protected guest network mode, which creates a separate network just for your smart devices. It also has the Alexa, special Alexa network if you have Amazon Alexa. Okay, but you enable the guest network on that. Now, if you don't have an advanced router that has a protected guest network, then you're going to need to set up a secondary router that is a daisy chain, or essentially downstream for your main router. This could be an old router that you had a long time ago. It doesn't have to be complex, and you plug it into your main router and you create a secondary network, which is just for your smart devices or your IoT devices. Okay, that's a little more complex, and you have to have a little know-how to do that. So if you do have an advanced router like the Asus AC3100 that has the protected guest network, go ahead and enable that. If not, you'll have to set up a second network, or you'll have to risk it. But I highly do not recommend that you connect these to your main network. Okay, so once you have your network installed, which I have my IoT network right here, which is a guest network on my Asus AC3100 router, then you'll enter your password for that network. Now, make sure that password is something unique. It's not the same password as your main home network. Create a unique password for that, and then log in. Click Next. Okay, now, up here, it's going to start pairing this right here, and it down here is a countdown timer. Now, it starts out at about 90 seconds or about 100 seconds, so a little over a minute and a half. It doesn't always take that long. It depends on your connection speed, but it could be up to a minute for it to connect. Okay, once pairing is successful, you're going to need to name the plug. Now, I would name it anything where you're going to use it. Say if you're going to use it in your bathroom for a blow dryer or a coffee maker, someplace where you might need to turn the power off while you're away from home. That's what these devices are for. say your wife leaves her hair curling iron on all the time, and you want to make sure that when you leave the house that you know it's turned off, that would be a good place for this plug. Okay, so you're going to name it whatever location in the house that you're going to put it at. That's what you're going to name it. I'm just going to name it Test Plug 1 because I'm just testing it right now. And once you save it, then you can actually add other people to the account if they have the Nooie app installed so they can control it. But other than that, it is right there. And so you have your control. Let's go ahead and give it a little test. Okay, so I've got a little personal computer office desk fan here that I've plugged in. And I have the plug right here. And we're going to turn it on. And it's turned on. And now turn it off. And there you go. Well, that's as easy as it is. It's not hard, pretty simple. If you haven't run into trouble, there's guidelines in there to help you out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, I will place a link to this product in the description of the video. Just click on the show more to see that, and they'll take you right to this product here if you're interested in it. Thank you for watching. This is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.